On behalf of everyone at Samsung, welcome to Unpacked New York. Thank you so much for coming. For the first time, Samsung is unveiling our new line of devices in 3 global centers at the same time, in Beijing, in Berlin, and here in New York, New York.
We're unveiling 3 iconic new devices along with new content service offerings. Once again, the technology leader is delivering the next big thing. Let's start with the incredible Galaxy Note 4. Camera, upgraded. Screen, upgraded. Battery, upgraded. S Pen, better and more responsive than ever.
Super fired up about our partnership with you guys. It's going to be amazing. Samsung's incredible.
Our new album came out yesterday.
5.
So everybody pick it up.
V or V.
Or V.
5, V, whatever you want to call it. It's a Roman numeral 5, so it is a V shape.
But it's going to be available on Milk Music, and we're very excited about that.
Yes, Milk Music sounds incredible, and we can't wait to be involved. And I like the word curate. I really enjoy that word.
It's
so
nice.
we're going
It's like
to
a master chef of music,
curate the heck out of that thing.
Just imagine, not just seeing Cirque du Soleil, but experience it through the eyes of the trapeze artists themselves. Not just watching a great film, but stepping on set with the actors. Not just streaming a live concert, but attending it, on stage and backstage.